is Michelle Atkin and I'm DPR's fitness manager. Today we're going to do a quadruped bird dog pose. So we'll be on all fours with our hands under our shoulders, our knees under our hips. Spread those fingers wide to evenly distribute the body weight. And we're going to lift our right leg up first. As we lift, the hips may tilt, so try to keep them both the same height. Drawing that navel in and up to your spine. Try to keep that heel as high as your hip. And once you feel balanced here, we'll add the lighter limb, raising that left arm up, shoulder height. Working on that balance and posterior chain. If you're feeling strong and balanced, try to close your eyes. Open them back up. Try lifting your toes off the floor on that base foot. Maybe closing your eyes at the same time. You decide what level of challenge you'd like. You can have those toes down or toes pointed on that bottom foot. Go ahead and put everything back down, reset, and we'll do the other side. Raising the left leg first, keeping the hips even. Abs tight, opposite arm up. Hold it there, breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Once balanced, you can try closing your eyes and or raising those toes on that base leg. Staying as balanced as possible and release back down. For our second set, we'll add movement. Right leg goes up again. Now that you know the position, get that left arm involved and we'll cross under. Elbow to knee, back up. Elbow to knee, back up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, slow and controlled. You can do more or hold at the end. But I'm going to reset us on the other side and let you guys finish the rest at home. Get that left leg up. Last set with me. Hips level. Right arm up. For our last 10. Cross under, lift. Maintaining that balance. For 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thanks so much and have a good day.